ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ చదువుకుంటున్నాము. అందులో భాగంగా కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాలోని బిట్లు. ఫస్ట్ బిట్, ఆల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ యాక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్ షall be expressed to be taken in the name of. Answers: the chief minister, the governor, the speaker, the state legislative assembly. The chief minister. Answer: 276. The number of MPs in House of the People Lok Sabha is not more than 550, 540, 530, 525. Answer: 550. The numbers of MPs in House of the People to be elected to represent the state is not more than 500, 520, 530, 540. 530 answer. The number of MPs House of the People to be elected to represent Union territories into more than 10, 20, 30, 40. 20 answer. The number of MPs in the Council of State Rajya Sabha 220, 230, 240, 250. Answer: 250. The number of members to be nominated of the Council of State Rajya Sabha by the President in is 9, 10, 12, 15. Answer: 12. Nominated Rajya Sabha. The number of members of the Council of State to represent the state and the Union territories is not more than 220, 250, 230, 238. Answer: 238. The number of members of the House of the People to be nominated by the President from Anglo-Indian community is 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer: 2. Read judgments of the number of MPs in the Lok Sabha changes as the population increases for each 10 years. However, for the president election session 1971, the population is taken into consideration. Reference: 1971 session sir, 1981 session sir, 1991 session sir, 2001 session. 1991 session. The duration of the House of People Lok Sabha is 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. 5 years. The duration of the Council of States. The duration of the Council of the States shall not be subject to disclosure as nearly as possible on third of the members of thereof shall relieve as soon as may be on the expression of every second year. అవి ఆన్సర్స్. స్టేట్మెంట్ 5 years అనేది రాంగ్. నెక్స్ట్, ఏ పర్సన్ who wants to be elected as a member of Council of States should not less than 25 years, not less than 30 years, not less than 35 years, not less than 18 years. 35 years. Answer: 35 years. A person who wants to be elected as a member of Council of States, 35 years. A person who wants to be elected as a member of House of People should 25, 30, 35, 80 years. 35 years. The authority to summon each House of Parliament from time to time to meet at such time and place is vested. The Speaker of the House of People, the President, the Prime Minister. None of the above. Each House of Parliament meets to the regular prescribed things. The President. Answer: the President. to address either House of Parliament or both Houses assembled together, and for the purpose required the attendance of members is vested in the speakers of both houses, the president, the prime minister, the chief justice of India. The president. The president is right answer. The duration between one session and another session of each house of parliament there is between its last sitting in one session and the date appointed for its first sitting in the next session should not exceed 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Answer is 6 months. Okay, right. Next sessions lo next dintlo constitution వేరే బిట్లు చదువు. Okay.